Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is my Dollar General haul. 1 store, 7 transaction with 4 store cards, and I just feel like I won the gold medal at Couponing Olympics, and I'm really hyper by this. This is the Dollar General clearance event, which is happening for the next 4 days, Friday to Monday, September the 4th, and I found a 70 store, so that is pretty exciting. So I'm like, can barely contain it. This was like $12. I also used I had a $15 IBOTTA rebate gift card on my Dollar General app. If you can figure out how that works, I still don't know, but the cashier scanned it off my phone and I got $15 off. So that was really tremendous. So that paid for the bulk of the stuff at 70, but what I had to pay out of pocket for most of my little meat and potato ones, like the Gain and stuff, probably like $12. So that is just totally winning. This entire table, yes. Now, for those of you that are completely lost, we're going to do a little pop quiz, how to find a 70 compared to a 50% off store. So my understanding is that 2,000 stores coast to coast will be 70 and they're not listed anywhere. What you're going to do is open up your Dollar General app and scan this barcode. This is a 90-cent product on the clearance shelf. And so if your store is at 70, this will ring up for 27 cents. If your store is at 50, it'll be 45 cents. So what you're going to do is go in the Dollar General app and then just kind of like, if there's like 6 different Dollar Generals, go from store to store to store, even if it's not in stock, so you can get a grasp of what is 70 and what is 50. Obviously, better savings at a 70 store. So this was my moment, guys, to get this for $1.30. It was like, the gold medal of the Coupon Olympics. This specific one, which is the 107 count of Moonlight Breeze. Now, this is where it's tricky. If you open up the Dollar General app, this product is ringing up for $14.35. But at the cash register, it's a different story. And yes, I am going to show you the receipt. I usually don't, but I will. So here are the 2 different UPCs for Aloha and Mr. 1435. So if you want to open up the Dollar General app and scan these 2 barcodes, you'll understand what I'm saying. And there's 2 different digitals to load. We have a $2 digital and a $3 digital. So this is a digital deal, which is fantastic. So load these 2 friends, the $2 off for the next deal and the $3 off one for the deal that I just showed you to get this for like $1.30. So here it is. This is the best deal of the clearance event at a 70% off store. This guy is $2.02 at a 70% off store. Wow. $2 coupon is in fact attaching, and it's 2 cents. 2 different transactions I did. The bottom one is the 202 detergent, and the top one is at $4.30, subtracting that gorgeous $3 coupon for $1.30. So for like $1.75 and some change, I got the 2 detergents. I did this on a couple of store cards. I couldn't control myself, but like to get this sort of detergent at such a cheap cost, I think the manufacturer is changing around the sizing of the bottles or shrinkflation or whatever it is. But if you can try and track down these 2, especially because this is a holiday weekend and not a lot of people are enthused about shopping this sale, make it happen, guys. Okay, so the next couple of slides, if you visit my other video that I made on Thursday where I show the digital coupons, go there to see them. There's a 75 cent that's attaching to this Lysol. At the 70% store, it was 19 cents after that coupon. The next item moving it along is this 75 count of the Arm & Hammer. We have a $1 digital that is in fact attaching. So it made this guy at a 70% off store $1.70 after everything is said and done. I had a little bit of overage too that helped to eat that. So I'm not complaining. And then my favorite, the Flintstones Super Beans. This is a total freebie, a kid's multivitamin. It does have a very quick expiry date of September. So there's a $3 digital. It makes it free plus 17 cents of overage at a non-updated store. Here is the UPC, and we have a $3 digital again. If you want to see what I'm talking about, watch Thursday's video. And the Swiffer XL. So for a lot of us that got the kits the last clearance event, this is $270. We have a $2 digital, so it drops this down to 70 cents at a 70% off store. And here is the UPC. I don't know, I just like the wet pads. It is a favorite of mine, so no problem there. And then as I told you guys, I had a $15 gift card. I was trying to get my basket right to 15. These spick and spans were 81 cents at a 70% off store. So I got a couple of those. And then just to show you the UPC, I just wanted some cleaner, so here it is. Really fantastic. Now we're going to talk about some food. I found these little Southeastern Mills. It's a peppered like biscuits and gravy mix and a brown gravy, 27 cents. My husband's not keto, so he indulges sometimes in biscuits and gravy. I'm not a total monster where he's not allowed to have anything. He sometimes is allowed fun stuff on the weekends. So biscuits and gravy and the brown gravy mix for 27 cents. Family size, so you're getting a heck of a portion. Every time I've been to Dollar Tree looking for these little like damp things or like, the dollar ones that they have or $1.25 ones, can't find them. Damp Rib, which is a really great company, $1.27 for this. Here's the UPC. Just a little bit of extra something I threw into my transaction because, yes, I wanted this. And then the overage I was talking about, the Crest and these Oral-B's are $1 each. Find them in either the dollar spot or the regular dental care aisle, like that little section that they have. Here are the UPCs. There's a 3 off 2 digital coupon that's attaching with these guys, so it makes it free, and $1 of overage at non-updated stores. If your store is updated, you're just going to get it as a freebie. So guys, as I said, I had a big dental appointment today, so I couldn't really do a lot. I went to one store, the one that was opening up at 8 o'clock, that was 70% off. I apologized in advance to the cashier. She had a pretty good sense of humor. Really nice lady too. And she let me do many transactions. The store wasn't busy and, I just made it happen. And to get this whole table of stuff, I used a $15 IBOTTA Dollar General gift card. If you do rebates at the Dollar General, you have the option to get Dollar General cash or IBOTTA money. I made a mistake and got the Dollar General cash, which is a gift card. So I had that on my card for like almost a month. So I was delighted to use that. And then out of pocket, I think $12 after everything said and done for this gorgeous table of magic. Again, this is a very weird clearance event. A lot of people are just done with this. It seems like they're giving one every month and people are like, j'ai done. So if you've never had a lot of luck, ask a cashier for a price check, and if you can find a 70% off store, make this magic happen. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.